Welcome to BoostMind AI. If you're new to AI and wondering which tool is right for you, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, this is the ultimate beginner's guide. We'll break down what each tool does, how they're different, and when to use them. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is created by OpenAI. It's known for being user-friendly and great at conversations, creative writing, coding help, and brainstorming. There are two main versions. ChatGPT Free uses GPT 3.5, ChatGPT Plus uses GPT-4 Turbo, which is faster, smarter, and more accurate. You can use it to write blog posts, emails, code, social media content, and even generate business ideas. It's like having a personal assistant, writer, and coder in one. Claude is built by Anthropic. It's designed to be safe, thoughtful, and very good at deep thinking. Claude is especially great at long-form tasks like summarizing books, analyzing documents, or holding deeper and more reflective conversations. Claude 3 is the latest version and it's available for free with some limitations. What makes Claude different is how carefully it handles context and its ability to process very long documents accurately. If you're working with lots of text or need precision in language, Claude is a great choice. Gemini is developed by Google, previously known as Bard. It connects directly to Google Search, giving you real-time information and updates from the web. Gemini is great for quick facts, up-to-date answers, and integrating with Google tools like Docs, Gmail, and Sheets. If you're already in the Google ecosystem, Gemini is your best bet. It's free to use and now powered by Gemini 1.5, Google's most advanced AI model. Here's a simple breakdown. ChatGPT is best for creativity, writing, coding, and brainstorming. Claude is best for deep thinking, summarizing, long texts, and accuracy. Gemini is best for live web info, real-time facts, and Google tool integration. Each AI has strengths depending on what you need. Use ChatGPT if you want fast ideas, polished content, or help with coding. Use Claude for writing essays, summarizing books, or having detailed conversations. Use Gemini when you need current data, research, or seamless Google integration. You don't have to pick just one. Use all three based on your needs. Here are some pro tips for beginners. Always give context in your prompts. Be specific about tone, format, and length. If one tool gives weak results, try another. Each has different strengths. Save your best prompts to reuse later. Practice daily. The more you use them, the better your results. That's your beginner's guide to ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. If this helped you understand the tools better, hit that like button and subscribe to BoostMind AI. We post AI tutorials, productivity hacks, and beginner-friendly breakdowns every week. Let me know in the comments, which tool are you using the most? Thanks for watching BoostMind AI. See you in the next video.